How to fix Windows Bluetooth driver. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, start go to your start menu and then search for device manager. Now open device manager. After that, go to Bluetooth. Double click on it and then select your Bluetooth device. Then right click on it. After that, go to update driver. Now go to search for drivers and then you will find the best drivers that you get or that you can install. After that, if you find any, simply get the driver. If you are facing any problem with your Bluetooth device, simply uninstall your device and then reinstall it back from the authorized website. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.